There, let's design a gorgeous baby shower website together. I'll show you exactly how to customize everything in Canva. Grab your coffee and let's do this.
All right, first things first, let's click through the whole site once before we change anything. Start at the invitation cover. Go all the way to the RSVP form. Nothing to do yet, just get a feel for how everything connects. Here's a tip I wish someone had given me the first time I did this. Get your details together before you open Canva. Your welcome message, the date, the time, location, registry info, whatever else, just throw it all into one document. Because once you're actually in the editor, you want to be copying and pasting, not sitting there trying to figure out what to write while you're also trying to design. You'll notice that some elements in this template are locked. This is intentional. It keeps the layout from being accidentally moved or altered while you work on other parts of the design. If you need to edit a locked element, click the unlock icon, ungroup it, make your change, then group it back together and lock it again. You'll see this process repeated a few times throughout the tutorial. Let's fix the map button next, since you'll want your guests actually arriving at the right location. Select the button, open the link settings, and delete the placeholder link that's already there. Then, head over to Google Maps, search for your venue, and confirm it's pulling up the correct spot. Once that's confirmed, copy the link, come back to Canva, and paste it into the button. That's it. Your map now points exactly where it should. Now let's move on to the registry section. And this part works pretty much the same way as the map button. Select the registry button, open the link settings, remove the placeholder link, and paste in your correct registry link. Once that's in place, just double check everything's working properly before moving on. Now let's handle the diaper raffle section. Nothing complicated here. Select the text that's already there, swap it for your own, and adjust it a little so it sits right in the space. The books for baby section is easy. Just copy and paste your own text in, then adjust the spacing so everything fits cleanly. For the countdown section, we're using tickcounter.com. Head over there and set up your countdown. Enter the date and time of your event, then generate the countdown's link. Copy that link, come back to Canva, go to Apps, search for Embed, and paste it in. Canva will pull in a live running countdown right on your page, and it'll keep counting down automatically once your site is published. Next, let's add your music. You can either add a video directly from YouTube or download your own video file and upload it into Canva. I prefer downloading and uploading it myself. It's just more reliable. Once it's added to your design, set the transparency somewhere between 3 and 7%, depending on how you want it to look. Now let's take care of the RSVP section. We're using Google Forms to handle this, so you don't have to worry about any guest limits. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set that up right now. But before we dive in, make sure you have your PDF download open. That is where you'll find the links to edit your RSVP form, as well as the links for your top header and bottom images. All right, let's jump into the setup. And there you have it. Your Google RSVP is fully set up and ready to collect those unlimited guest responses. Now that we have our form complete, let's copy the link and head back over to our main website design to link everything together and finish up. Before publishing, take a moment to go through the entire website one more time. Check every section: your baby shower details, registry information, buttons, links, and the RSVP section to make sure everything's correct. Look over the text, spacing, and fonts and confirm the overall design looks clean and easy to read. Also, double-check that nothing's shifted out of place and that all your clickable elements are working properly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. Canva will give you a website link that you can copy and share with your guests. And that's it. Your baby shower website is all set up and ready to share with family and friends. I'm so glad I could help you check this off your list before the little one arrives. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more templates and tutorials. And don't forget to check the description for a link to our shop where you'll find even more matching digital designs. Have a wonderful baby shower, and I'll see you in the next video.